Hello everyone, and I kind of made this video already, but I accidentally shut it down. I missed a lot of it, and I think I might as well upload. I might as well upload both of them, and this is part 2 because I kind of did this. Eat the trash. The trash will give you food. No! I was just joking. I just said that so he would eat and he would. I need to go to the surface and kill some things. There it is. Let's just put it. No, get over here. Perfect. Really? No. Perfect. My charge is in. We have 5 types of people. Stop! I didn't charge my tablet. That's why you're seeing this horrible screen. I think I might as well just everything becoming old. Give me SpongeBob. The best show in the world. He saws the thing into pieces. What? Yeah, there you are. Tasty gemfish. So tasty. Eat him! He's a tasty submarine. I literally ate a tasty submarine, and you say to me that's worth 100 coins. Okay, I'll just calm down. Your game is very nice. It's the best game ever, and I love it. It's one of the funnest games I've ever played. For instance, this shark's actually real. I'm gonna show you it. It's on Google, and like, I wish I had things better to it. I think I'm gonna split this into 2 videos. Mega Gold Rush, yeah! You don't forget him. Forget you. No one wants to eat something that's always gonna be a pie pooper. Woo! Yowza! See, he said Yowza. No, I said Yowza. You don't say Yowza. You kind of do. The daily chest. Oh no! Yeah, we are gonna get our revenge on you. See, we got revenge. 2 out of 5. Eat him. Tasty submarine. I almost had this thought where, like, the sharks that could eat mine would be like, please pass the turkey, and they would say, please pass that bowl of food, and they'd be like, okay, and they'd be like, what's inside? And he's like, no, it's a bomb, which everyone can't eat except me, and the whole area would explode. But trust me, I recommend you play this game. It's called Hungry Shark World. It was one of the best games ever, and you eat sharks like this. Bzzz. Starving. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? 3 minutes and 41. I've been playing for that long, and I got like 10 million. Yo, well, someone in the sky that wants to. Yes, we're gonna saw you into little pieces. See? He's nearby somewhere, but where is he? It's a drone! Ah! If I go down, he goes down. Thumbs up. My neck is gonna stab me in the neck. Because it hurts, because of the position I'm in. You know what? I'm gonna spend all my money. Money is not for saving, it's for spending it on. So, what do we have? Jetpack? Can't afford. Recycle can? We can't afford. Right, I'm gonna show you why I was so upset with that deal earlier. Look at this. Oh. Come on, Connie. Buddy. God, dog. Oh, no. Oh. I think I need to lay down my neck. This shark's beam can melt the moon. Yeah, I just think you're a zombie megalodon. Let's see your skin. Yeah, it's really nice. Frosty. No, that's cold. If you wanna here comes the best map to South Chinese Sea. No, the best map to use him on is somewhere called the Arabian Sea. Or I like to call it the Tough Sea. Zombie shark explodes too. Yes! So every time, I'm going to show you what's so special about him. So, no, my charger! I took it out! Okay. I'm just going to jump down. It's way too painful to sit up here. Perfect. Right, where is he? Come on. If you're probably wondering who is he, I mean the sharks. Come.